guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to review a Maybelline range product. The first one I'm going to review is this Maybelline Matte Poreless Foundation, Fit Me Foundation for normal to oily skin tone, and the cost of this foundation is 500 rupees. I bought that from Nykaa, and the shade is 228 soft tan. So let's try this. And I used this product for 6 months. I could say this is a very light-weighted foundation and good for parties and festivals, not for everyday wear. So, and I think doing makeup every day is not good for your skin, so always do makeup whenever it is essential for like going to parties or anywhere. So let me try this in front of the camera and show you how the foundation actually works. So let me show you the thing. So this is having a sturdy cap and a glass bottle. You should not drop it, वरना टूट गया तो पैसा ख़त्म, पैसा वेस्ट पूरा, 500 रुपये पानी में. Now let me pour this foundation on my beauty blender, or you can even do by pouring this on your hand like this. See the shade. I think that this foundation is very flowy, so that can blend on your skin very properly. Now let me remove my spectacles and apply this on my face. So I am just taking a few. You can also first put this on your face like this dot and then blend. So you can see this foundation is getting blend properly. You can see the difference. This part looks a bit acne. I am having acne and spots, but this part is clearer than that. Foundation is not used for fairing up your skin. It's just used for doing making your skin even tone. So always take a shade which is matching your skin tone, वरना तुम ज़्यादा ही गोरे दिखोगे और फिर तुम मतलब अजीब से दिखोगे. Like you have done makeup, वो अच्छे से visible होगा. It will not give a good impression. So as you can see, the foundation gets blended up very properly. I am applying this on my half face, so you all can see the difference. You should always use a damp beauty blender so that the foundation gets mixed up easily. So I think you can see a difference. This part is a bit fairer and even tone and smoothen up. That is not looking overdone, and this part is having spots and not even tone. So see the difference. I think this is a very lightweight and good foundation for using on everyday basis. I do not prefer using foundation. Just I apply moisturizer and compact and then leave for my any work or something. So that's it. See, this gets blend on my hand too. ये इतना भी गोरा नहीं लगता ऐसा लगाने के बाद कि like we have applied a very heavy foundation or something. You can see this. So I prefer you all to once try this foundation for a good cost. So this is worth it for 500, I think. Now let me show you the another Maybelline product, that is this Fit Me New York Compact, which is in the shade 112 Natural Ivory. There were 3 shades, one I think Natural Ivory and the other 2 I will be writing below, and also the shade number. So this is the lighter shade, and there was not other shade available on Amazon when I purchased this. This cost me 139 rupees. The actual cost was 199 rupees, but there was sale going on I think on Amazon, so this was for a cheaper rate. So I purchased this color. This is a lighter color for my skin tone, but it's fine I think. This is also having skin protection SPF 28. Let's use this. So the packaging is nice. I bought this from Amazon, as I told you. The links are in description box. So then the packet type thing comes and you have to remove this. This is having a good packaging, see. And let's open this. so you are getting a clear mirror for doing makeup if you are out, and thing to apply, application pad. And then we are having this for the powder to not get spilled and scratches. And now I am applying this. This is having a smooth texture. I will show you the swatch for this one. Just now I applied the foundation, so you all can see. I told you already this is a lighter shade for my skin tone, so I have to apply less and then mix that properly. So let me show you. I'm just rubbing the brush, tapping the excess. You see, this is so powdery. You just saw. You can see this is so powdery. So this thing I do not like. So let me apply this on my makeup. Foundation applied face, half part. So you can see the difference. This part look fairer, clean, clear and perfect, and this part is like normal. So see the difference. You can always see the difference. This is poreless, this is matte, this is clear and beautiful. मैं अपनी तारीफ़ नहीं कर रही, बट अच्छा लग रहा है ना, वाओ. उसके बाद let me apply. I do not have concealer because I don't have dark circles under my eyes. So what is my age? Under dark circle कैसे पड़ेंगे? So this powder is good. This is like stay and not very like, this is not it. क्या बोलते हैं उसको, मेरे स्किन को प्रॉब्लम नहीं कर रहा. आई एम नॉट गेटिंग एनी itchiness or something like that. So I recommend you all to like buy this product and use that for daily basis. For heavy makeup I don't think so this will stay for 24 hours or 48 hours. So you can buy a compact which is like a bit stay on your face. But this Maybelline product is for a cheaper cost. So this one is a good replacement of powder. And yes, you can always try this out. And let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this product, this Fit Me Maybelline product. So the last product I want to show you, and I want to aware you about this eyeliner, and this is a horrible eyeliner. The name of this eyeliner is Hyper Ink Liquid Liner Maybelline New York. So this eyeliner was in a cost of, I think this was 400 or near about that price. I do not remember because this product is very horrible. So why I am telling you this, because when you like apply this for the first, second or third in 1 week, this will be gliding very properly. This is having a brush kind of thing. See, the brush is very flexible, but this is like very easily dried up, like almost the product got applied. I also poured oil in this and water in this, but still it was not like coming out. And so you can see, you can just see the color. This is so damn light, and this is also not getting applied. See, very bad product. For this money I could have bought many other eyeliners even more better than this. So I do not recommend you to buy this product at all, because this is a very like पैसे ख़राब करना बोलेंगे अगर आपको ये ख़रीदना है तो. Still if you want to buy, so that's your wish, but I do not recommend. Rather than this, buy a Lakme eyeliner which I am using for almost 2 years, and that is amazing eyeliner. Lakme, that small bottle type eyeliner, which is far better than this stupid eyeliner, because this is really like very easily dried up, and the wastage of money is the other thing. So that's it for the Maybelline New York products, and hope you have I have provided you with the right information about the Maybelline products. And do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such review videos. Comment down below the suggestions, and if you have used this product and what you felt about these all products. So do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos. Keep supporting and commenting for motivating me.